Good morning, everyone. Sorry I've been missing in action, but I've actually been really busy cleaning the house, and I've purged a lot of stuff, and which I'm really excited about, because I told you one time that I wanted to be a minimalist, except for in my art room. But I am trying to get rid of some stuff in here too. But anyhow, today I thought I would go through this Creative Memories file, which my daughter, actually this is my file, but I put stuff in here that my daughter have given me, and I'm going to sort through it and decide what I'm going to keep. And I thought maybe I had it organized according to what the label says, but maybe not. But there's a bunch of stuff in here. And I know I purchased a bunch of Jolie's things from a woman on eBay previously. And then I had given some of those to my daughters. And I think I've probably gotten most of those back. So I thought I would sort through these and take out what I don't think I'm gonna need or use, and then the other stuff I'm going to have to put them, or anything I keep, I'm gonna put them in my binders. But I'm also going to be going through my binders later on and get rid of some stuff. There is tons of stuff in here, but not as much as I had imagined. Okay, I think I almost have it emptied. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so that's empty. Okay, so I know I have pictures of my daughter in Mexico, so that's what I'll be saving these for, and they are from Jolie's. I don't know if she bought these or if I gave them to her, because I don't think I remember them. And she's got a whole pile. She was serious. My goodness. One time we went shopping and hubby says, you guys buy whatever you want and just put it on the charge card. And I think we bought way more than what any of us needed. Okay, this is some ribbon that it's probably too big for anything I would use, so I'm gonna take that out right now. Oh, and while I've been off, I also hurt my, I must have pinched a nerve in my neck. So my right hand, which is my dominant hand, is not working properly. So that's more annoying than you can imagine, unless you've had the same issue. Okay, some other little Jolie money and passport. So this is all travel stuff. This is home, road. We are here. So that's basically travel. I think I gave her these. I got them at, I think, no, it says Walmart. Okay. I think I got them at Big Lots. Okay, so these are all travel. I think that's where I keep that kind of stuff. This is family trips / travel. Okay, so I must have hit the travel section. Now, personally, I don't care for these, so I'm going to take them out because I need to get rid of stuff. Now, I love these, and I know I bought these and gave them to her. Where'd I get these? Because I bought, they used to have some fun stuff at Big Lots, and then they quit carrying stuff, which I was pretty sad about. Okay, and this is Oh, I think that was like lost in there because I think I had that in there. Okay, and roller skates. Okay, this, I'm gonna put these like in a sports section. And same with these. Okay. Then we have little stick people. This is hilarious. Oh, it's yoga people. Okay, and yoga class. My daughter teaches yoga. And this is, oh, and she was in a marathon. Yep, this is totally her. Okay, so this is going to be travel. And I'm just going to put this, like I just wrote cards. I actually made the hubby write them because I'm having a hard time writing. It just takes me forever. You got to see me taking notes at church. Slow down, Pastor. I can't write everything. I get enough written down. Okay. This is wired ribbon, which I'm not going to keep that. Yoga, marathon. Okay, that's going to be in sports. This is school. This is creative memory. And this is art. Now I'm going to put that in with school. This is vintage. This is vintage. And it's a Victrola and old phone, which we used to have a Victrola and she ended up with it. So it's at her house. And so this all goes to vintage, or the Heritage album actually. And what did I say? This was school and art. This is Heritage. And I have one section where it's doctor, because one of my daughters was going to be a nurse. But then she decided to have a whole bunch of kids instead. And let's see, we got Halloween. Some Halloween. And another Victrola I picked it up again. I think it's another one. And this is a little book. And I bought a few of these over the years, but I haven't done anything with too many. Well, actually, I've made a lot, designed them myself, but I will save that, but it doesn't go in this section. Okay, so I've got sports, and these are just cards and paper. I'm just going to put those in with scraps. And then these I found at Big Lots, and aren't they so cute? And I think I've only used, I don't know, maybe 3 of them. And then these ones here, and I thought, oh, they turned color. But when I opened them up, they were still white. And they're just adorable. Okay, so I do have a place for frames. These things here, I probably will only use them if I use them in scraps. So I'm going to stick them in scraps, because I might die cut with them. Because I just don't seem to use them otherwise. And then, I don't know if you've been here when I've talked about these, but I had this fabric that I'd actually made a tent with, and the scraps of it I took and printed on them. And this is Everlasting Love. And I have to say it was kind of hard on the printer, so I won't be doing it again. Okay, these are wedding things. Okay, what do I got here? I know I have school back here. School, sports, driving, dancing. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. I'm just doing this to make sure that I keep my things in order. And somewhere I have doctor. Here it is. Okay, I've got this. There was so many things I got to put in this binder. It's got Disney, stories, Oz, fall, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, faith, food, and doctor. So there's that. Okay. And where's sports? Did I say it? Oh, sports was in school. Okay, so there's sports. Okay. And then we have love and marriage. So somewhere I have that. Okay, where is it? Did I already pick it up and move it someplace? Hearts, love, marriage, somewhere. Okay. I know I have one. Okay. Heritage. Okay, this is probably marriage. Marriage. Bride and groom. Other marriage things. I don't know what I did with that label, but it's here somewhere. Honeymoon. Marriage. What is this? This is love, bride and groom. This is wedding. Hearts. I put hearts, love, marriage, all in one category. That's what all this is. Valentine's Day, all in the same category. And these here, and some of these I probably won't use because there's so many, and there's kind of certain ones I love. Oh, and then I had bought this one paper that it was Valentine's Day, and that's what this one is. And they had like vintage Valentines on it, but some were used, but it was the only sheet they had, so I bought it. And I got a discount, of course, because some of them were missing already. Okay. Never enough. I love yous. Okay. Glitz. Now this could be like New Year's or dance. I'm not sure where I want to put that. There's more love. Love. These are vellums, but I'll probably keep them here. Just trying to get them underneath here. And then this, I must have just cut these down, or maybe she used them and cut them down. But I'm going to put those in scraps. This is friends. I do have a friends and family one. I'm going to try to find a place to put those. Okay, and here's love, or Valentine's Day. And this is like a whole thing of them. Okay, so that didn't take quite as long as I thought it would, but there was only a few categories I actually have here. Okay, so that is it for today. I'll try to make it back tomorrow and try to get something else done. I have been getting a lot done. It just hasn't been in this room. So, but I have to say, I cleaned out my, let me see if I can show you a picture. I don't know if it'll show up well. Oh, Alex went and won she won a first place for her her performance piece. Okay, I got to show you this. This is what my bookcase looked like before. I used to have 5 bookcases, so I had a lot of books, and then plus I have my albums in here. I think you can kind of see that. It's a big bookcase, and so it was packed full. So anyhow, here's what it looks like now. Not quite so many things, but you see I still have the albums there, so they take up quite a bit of space. And with the exception of this thing here, I'm getting rid of all those there. So I was pretty happy with that. It took me 3 days to do that. So you see why I haven't been back here. So I'm going to get this stuff put away. And if I find stuff that I know for a fact I won't use, I mean, I was trying to pull it out and then I kind of got distracted just trying to sort them. But as I look through the other things, because I'm going to go through everything when maybe after my sister leaves, because I want to just get things out that I don't need, because my binders are bulging. They hardly want to fit on my bookshelf. So I will be going through those. In fact, I might not be able to put these in there. If I can't, I'll just have to kind of file them. I hate to put them back in the file because it took me so long to get them out. But I will do something with them. And I will see you tomorrow. Maybe. I can't even say it. I'll see you tomorrow. Because you might not. Because I still have some other stuff I got to do. But anyhow, I'll try to get back here. And I'll see you when I can. Have a wonderful and blessed week if I don't see you before. Bye-bye.